Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic Valentine's Day beauty box. This is what the beauty box looks like. Really cute packaging. It's got a nice little ribbon on it as well there, and it says the Valentine's collection on it. The collection is worth £198 and it's selling on lookfantastic.com for £55. Inside we get a little leaflet which tells us all about the products. And then I see here we have a £40 off Lelo. So Lelo products are women's health or women's sexual health products, and we get £40 off when you spend £100 on the brand. Okay, so the first thing that I'm most excited about in this box is the Herbivore Cloud Jelly Plumping Hydrating Serum. That's it right there. And the info says dreamy drops for more youthful looking hydrated skin. A plush hydrating serum that helps dry dehydrated skin bounce back with truly natural ingredients. Superfood enriched hydrating drops plump and improve the appearance of fine lines for a healthier looking skin. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I love serums, they're my absolute favourite skincare products. It says it's got vegan collagen and tremella, which I think is mushrooms and strawberries inside. I'll definitely be trying this out tonight once I remove my makeup. So yeah, it doesn't really smell of anything. Doesn't have like much of a scent to it, I don't think. No, it doesn't really have much of a scent, which is quite unusual for the fact that it has strawberries in it. Yeah, this looks and sounds amazing. I cannot wait to use this. This is a full size product and it's a 30 ml. Okay, the next thing we get in the collection is this Elemis Superfood Berry Boost mask. So I love Elemis. Elemis is such a really nice skincare brand, and this is a rebalancing prebiotic purple mask. That's the packaging for it right there. It says this rebalancing mask helps clear impurities from the skin and leave the complexion looking clarified and outdoor fresh. Formulated with bilberry, black currant grape, purple clay and oatmeal particles, gently exfoliates and absorbs excess oil, leaving the skin looking bright, mattified and radiant. Okay, so this sounds interesting. I'm really looking forward to giving this a go. I could be doing with doing a face mask right now, so I think I'll give this one a go next. I like the sound of bright and radiant skin. I'm not too sure about the mattified part of it because I don't really have super oily skin, so for me that's not really an issue. But anyway, I'm hoping my skin will look bright and radiant after doing this. It is actually purple, the mask inside. It's like a kind of grey taupe purple. The next thing in the collection is my favourite high-end mascara, and it's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So like I've been using this for years. It's like the only high-end mascara that I keep repurchasing, and right now I have a full size and a mini one I think I got from Christmas. I think we got it in one of the advent calendars. Now I have another mini which will really do me for probably holiday. That's it right there. Like, this is such a good mascara. It gives you great volume to your lashes. It makes them look super jet black, very spidery and just quite kind of thick, looking like it looks like you have more lashes than you actually have. So yeah, my absolute favourite high-end mascara, and I'm so happy to have another one. And then the next thing we get inside this collection is a lip liner from Delilah. So that's there. Now this is the shade Pout. So this is different from the one that I got at Christmas. The one at Christmas I think was Buff. And this is Pout. So again, it's like a kind of nudie shade. Like the Buff one that I got at Christmas is a little bit more pink, where this one is a bit more nude. So I'm actually really, yeah, I love the shade of that. The lip liner has a smooth texture which glides over the lips, delivering intense pigment colour for ultimate lip definition. It's water, smudge and fade proof. Okay, so I didn't know this was actually waterproof before. Like the other one I had, I didn't actually know. I don't think that was waterproof. So that's actually quite good, because like waterproof, it should stay on my lips a little bit longer, because like I mentioned before in like a couple of my videos, I do have super absorbent lips, so I like my lip liners to be either on the drier side, or I like them to be like waterproof then. Yeah, because obviously they'll stay on the lips a little bit longer. Okay, so we also get a lipstick in the collection as well, which is from MAC, and I'm really excited about this because I do love MAC lipstick. This is their matte formula lipstick, and it's in the shade Mere, MERE. HR. That's the packaging for it there, and that's the shade of it right there. So this looks like it will be quite good to match the lip liner that's in the collection as well. I'm just going to swatch it next to that lip liner and see. Okay, so the Mirror lipstick is a little bit more pink, just slightly mauve, like yeah, slightly mauvey and pink, and the lip liner is a little bit kind of like a brownie, like a brown pink, like a brownie pink. So I feel like that would actually be quite nice to pair with that, because it will kind of define the lips, like your lip line a bit more, and then you just apply this, so it kind of gives you a bit more definition. I think that actually feels really nice when I applied it there, even though it's like their matte formula from MAC. It's actually quite smooth and creamy, like when I applied it there on my hand, but of course it'll be different when I apply it on my lips. The shade is nice, it looks like a nice shade. And I think it will probably match the lip liner pretty well. So I'm really happy it's a MAC lipstick in the collection, because MAC lipsticks are really great quality, so I'm very happy about this. Also in the Valentine's collection we get the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. It says this weightless formula freshens up the feel and appearance of your hair between washes. The shampoo is infused with slow releasing fresh fragrance for a scent that lasts all day. Okay, so this is going to come in really handy, and it's a mini, which is a 60 ml. Okay, the next thing we get in the collection is this Nails Inc red nail polish, which is the shade Portland Square, and I don't really wear any other nail polish on my nails apart from like a nudie shade, but I'm actually quite tempted to apply this because I don't know, like I haven't had red on my nails in like so many years. Like I can't even remember when I last had red nail polish on. Yeah, tempted to apply this to my nails, but we'll see. Okay, the next thing in the collection is this shampoo, which I'm really excited to try out. It's from Wei. It's their Detox Shampoo. So I've never tried any shampoo or anything from Wei. I do have their pomade, which I love. It's really great for smoothing flyaways and that. I usually use that for like when I'm going out. But this I'm excited to try. Like it's just a shampoo, so it would be good if it had a conditioner as well. But anyway, this smells really, really lovely. Really fresh. It's got apple cider vinegar inside, which helps strengthen weakened hair, improves luster by lowering the pH level of the hair and scalp, and alleviates itchiness with its soothing properties. Okay, so I'm really... Oh, I got a right smell of apple cider vinegar there. Oh, I'm excited to try this. It smells lovely. We also get This Works Love Sleep Pillow Spray. So this has scents of ylang ylang and patchouli. It's a light mist which is sure to give your bedtime routine an element of pleasure. Okay, so I'll give that a little spray on my pillow. Next thing in the collection is the Ciate Glow to Illuminating Blush. That's what it looks like right there, and that's the shade. So that looks pretty cute. Yeah. It's a really nice kind of marble effect blush. It says it would deliver up to 12 hours of smudge and cake free wear. The finely milled formula contains an ombre blend of matte blush and ultra refined highlight pigments. Okay, yeah, this looks really pretty. I think I'll give that a go. Like I don't really use much blush, but that looks really cute. And we also get a little brush in this collection as well from Luvia. So that's the brush right there. It's a little kind of angle brush, so we can obviously use this to apply the blush. I'm going to just apply a little bit, like I wasn't going to, but I'm going to apply it, why not, just to see. So I'm going to keep it quite far back. Okay, so that's cute. Oh, that is nice. That's really nice. I like the look of that blush. Like that just goes really pretty on with my bronzer and that I have on. Like it just looks really nice. I can see the slight glow from it, which is actually really nice. It's not like super glittery. I think it has like the wee tiny glittery bits in it, but It's very, very subtle, so it kind of looks very natural, and it looks really pretty. Like, I'm liking this. Like, I don't tend to like a lot of blushes, but this is pretty cute. I like the kind of deep shade it has. Like, it's not super bright, and it's not like super like mauvey. It's kind of like, it's a nice shade. I don't know how to describe it. It's just really nice. I actually quite like this. Like, for me, this is unusual because like I don't really like blush. So yeah, that is cute. And the little brush actually was really nice to apply. It was quite soft, and like it has a wee angle on it, so you can kind of just apply it high on the cheekbones. So I'm liking the both of these, and the blush is in the shade Matchmaker, which I think will be, I don't know if this is a full size or a mini, and then the little blush brush is obviously full size. So yeah, really liking them. And then the next thing we get inside is this perfume from Laboratory Perfumes. So it's the scent Amber. Ooh, oh, that's lovely. That's actually a quite a masculine scent. Oh, but I like that. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's a nice fragrance. Like, I don't know if this is like for yourself or for like your man or something, but I really like it. I think it's nice. I don't know the notes inside this. There's nothing on the card or the booklet, so it must be like another little bonus product, but this is lovely. This is a really nice scent. Okay, so that's everything inside the collection, and I am loving the products in here. Like, there's such a good mix of makeup and skin and beauty products in here, so I'm so happy about that. My top favorite products have got to be these 4 products, I think, from the collection. Like, I'm loving the Herbivore Cloud Jelly. I'm excited to try the Elemis Superfood Mask. The MAC lipstick I'm really happy about because I just love MAC lipsticks, and the lip liner looks great as well, so loving them. I'm also really loving this blush that I have on. I think it's really pretty, and I'm excited to try out the Wei shampoo. Like, this just smells lovely. Again, the collection is worth £198, but it's selling for £55 on Lookfantastic.com. There's also a discount code where you can get so much off the collection as well if you are a Lookfantastic monthly beauty box subscriber. I will leave that info and the code down below in the description box for you. But yeah, I think this is a really, really great collection. I'm just loving the mix of products in there. Definitely something that is worth picking up for Valentine's Day, whether it's for yourself or even like someone in your family. Like, yeah, I think it's a gorgeous collection. I'd love to know your thoughts on the collection down below in the comments section. That is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.